Hey out there, all you viewers of the Video Later, how you doing? Now, I gotta say right up front, this video is basically brought to you by the generous nature of Jimmy Atkins over at Ready Man Grooming. I know, you're sitting and going, but wait. You're gonna look at Rivertown Trading Company's beard oil. Why are you talking about Ready Man? I'll tell you why right now. King Tingle got a hold of me on Instagram and he went, hey, check these guys out. I think their product is so much better than mine. You really need to give them a look. And I'm like, what? King Tingle, seriously? So, okay. Before I could even look down and try to go, okay, let me go here, let me go there, Rivertown Trading got a hold of me. And they're like, hey, what can we do to bring our oil to your channel? And I'm like, well, let me go check you out. And then they went, okay, pick a combo, we're going to send it to you. Wow, all right, cool. Thank you, And I'm just stating that publicly. I did not pay for, this oil or the butter that they sent. But today, we're going to take a look at the oil, and the butter will have its future video. All right, now, if you're unfamiliar with them, it's quite okay. I wasn't either until they contacted me, all right? You can find them over at rivertowntradingco.com. rivertowntradingco.com. I'm going to leave that down below in the description box. Even though on the older label, it has like an Etsy shop, you want to go to rivertowntradingco.com. Now, Joe Mahoney is, he's the boss, and, I've had nothing but wonderful things to say about him since I had communications with him. He was great, he was professional, he was awesome, and after our conversation, I think I got the product in like 48 hours, which just blew me away when I checked the mailbox and went, all right, let's start testing this thing. Now, from what I can understand by their web store and everything else, and you guys know that's where I like to go, they basically got their start in 2019. It's a husband and wife team. They are proudly made in the United States of America out of Carrollton, Kentucky. Now, from what I understand, Kentucky has a lot of standards that you have to do in order to do, like, your products. And these guys are really sanitary. These guys are really above board on everything, and they are just freaking awesome. Now, this 1 ounce amber bottle with the eyedropper top is going to run you $16 on their web store. Guys, seriously, it's a plain, just beautiful, to me, it's a plain, beautiful, striking, logo. Really? Okay, there, sorry. I just noticed something on the label and looked at my notes, so forgive me. All right, I picked this one because I love coffee scents. I really, truly do. Now, the scent profile on this one, and I'm not going to lie, it's really, really strong at first. It's going to catch you, it's going to slap you around, and it's going to wake you up. But it mellows out into something completely different. It's like applying 2 beard oils in one go. Now, the scent profile is oak, strong coffee, leather, tobacco, and spices. Pretty cool, right? Hold on, I got children rioting upstairs. One moment. Sorry about that, guys. Kids and quarantine and everything else, right? But yeah. So, like I said, it lasted me about 8 to 10 hours. In beard. That coffee is really, really strong. But man, when it mellows out into that woodsy, spicy thing and the leather mixed in there, it is seriously like an entirely different thing. The coffee lasted me about 2 hours, and it was just like, wow. It's like even in bottle, yeah, it's a strong coffee smell, and I'm picking up like a tinge of leather in bottle. But we all know things are different in bottle than it is on beard. It worked great in my beard. It really gave it a soft feel to it. It didn't make it like scratchy or like straw, like certain other oils I've tried recently have, and we'll get to that in their own video. Rivertown doesn't deserve them being talked about in their awesome video. Now, the carrier oils and all the fun stuff in this is golden jojoba oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, and premium fragrance and essential oils. 4 basically carrier... Yeah, 4. I'm sorry, I thought I was holding my thumb, but, 4 basically great carrier oils that work great in my beard. They got the mixes right, they got everything right, and it is just phenomenal. All right? Now, for those of you who like to see, the coloration of the oil, there you go. It's got a really, really golden color to it, which is totally cool. And to me, it's about a medium strength. That's not really runny. It comes out nice and coats beautifully in the beard. All right, now for those of you who are unfamiliar with how to use beard oil and its uses, we're going to cover that right now. Because that's part of the joy of coming to YouTube. You like learning things, you like finding out new stuff, and hopefully I can impart some, education to you. So, some great uses of beard oil, like I've already touched on, is the softening of your beard. To me, that's actually number 2. Number 1, the best use is it's a vitamin supplement for your skin underneath your beard. I know. Beard oil goes in beard, right? Yes. But it's also for that skin underneath, because your body can only produce so many healthy oils in order to keep your beard growing luscious, strong, wonderful, no split ends, anything else. Try this out. If you're viewing this during the COVID quarantine, take 48 hours, go without showering. Your head hair is going to turn really, really greasy, and you're just going to hate it. This is going to get dried out and feel like straw. Hey, bird's nest, crackly. It's going to drive you insane. No COVID, cottonwood, and seasonal allergies. Beard oil seriously helps just nourish it, get it strong, get it beautiful, and get it amazing. Now, like I said, that second great use is softening that beard up. Now, I know there's some of you out there like, oh, your man doesn't need anything. Oh, if she can't handle it, if your better half is whoever they are, and they get close and they're rubbing up next to a cactus, you get Heisman. Whew, get away real quick. And the third great use of beard oil is that scent profile. It's going to leave a lingering, incredible scent in your beard. Now, I'm going to say it like this. If it works in your beard, great. If it doesn't work in your beard, get your nasty butt back in the shower and get it back out. That way you don't have to put up with it all day. Like I said, for this one, it lasted me about 8 to 10 hours. It was right in that range where I could still smell it. And I'm like, this is really, really pleasant. So there's 3 great uses. Now, how to put it in your beard? Real simple. This is the method I use, okay? First of all, like I said, it's got that eyedropper top. So fill up that eyedropper with the amount you think you need. And I'm saying it that way because everybody else uses a different amount. I use about the size of a quarter, okay? If you think you've gone too much, do this. Wait a half an hour, rub your hands right down your beard. Now, I'm not talking, just rub them right down. If you have an oil slick in your hand, you have used way too much. All right? It's a great way. Now, you get it in your hand, rub your hands together to really warm it up and activate that scent profile. That's when you're really going to get it, especially with this one, a hit of that coffee, and you're going to be like, yeah. Work it into your beard all the way down to your skin and groom your beard out. Simple, right? It's seriously that simple. Now, here's the best part of the video for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comments section. I really want to know if you've used Rivertown Trading Company before, because to me, they're really brand new and making a big splash. I know they were over on my brother's channel, Faithfully Bearded, and Tyson gave them a great review. Just like him, King Tingle turned him on to them, and it was a really great thing. And I'm very, very grateful that you guys sent this stuff out to me. Now, oh, wow. Total train of thought loss. Hopefully it doesn't seem too scatterbrained today. You can see by the bags, hardly any sleep recently, not making any defense for it. And you guys know I always leave these little mistakes up. Okay, so for you first-time viewers of my channel, I'm going to wrap it up so I don't do any more damage to myself. I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Look, I know there's lots of options for you out there, and I'm very, very grateful you chose this one. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why? Leave me a comment right down below what I can do to earn your subscription. Be constructive and see what we can do to improve, future videos for you. After you've done that, take a look right there in that corner. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've knocked that out the way, please destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Seriously, it looks like a little bell. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos, 2 will be popping up. That's right, guys. Over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick overview and look at Rivertown Trading Company's The Doc's Beard Oil. Thank you so much for viewing this video, and I hope all of you are being safe and have a great day.